is a 2008 Case IH 105U. This is a 105 horsepower tractor. It has an electro shuttle shift, which gives it 3 ranges of 4 gears each. The tires are Michelins on the front and back, both with 80% tread. The 105U has a 540 RPM power takeoff shaft. It also has 2 rear remotes. A very handy feature on this tractor is the exterior 3-point and PTO controls mounted on the back bumpers. Right now, this tractor has 1,135.4 hours on the tachometer. This tractor is available at the Titan Outlet store. Call us at 877-866-7010. We're here to serve.